Hey everyone, welcome to Nom Nom to Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious lentil tacos. They're easy and simple to make, so let's get started. First I'm going to start off by dicing a half of red pepper, a half of green pepper, and a half cup of diced onion. When you're done, saute in a pan with a little bit of oil. Now for our lentils, we're going to add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of lentils. You can use vegetable broth or 2 teaspoons of the Better Than Bouillon vegetable paste. Bring it to a boil. Once it boils, let it simmer until all the water is absorbed. Now we're going to add our seasonings. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin. I added 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and now I'm going to mix it all up. Add your peppers, your onions, and a half cup of salsa. And that is it. Now you can cook your corn tortillas with a little bit of oil until it's crispy on each side. And add whatever toppings you want to your lentil tacos. I'm adding guacamole, and some cilantro. And there you have it, easy vegan lentil tacos. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.